everybody. I was just in a lesson with one of my students and we were discussing minor scales and a song that they were working on in harmonic minor. And I wanted to just tell you all about it because it's a really cool thing to know about. So shout out to Kristen for coming up with the topic. And I'm going to now show you how to play in harmonic minor. So we're going to start with just a regular C major scale. And that is a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. For finger number people out there, I've got you covered. That's 3 on the G, open D, 1, low 2, 3, open A, 1, low 2. So that's your C major scale. Now a really common question is, what is the difference between a major and a minor scale? How do you turn a major scale into a minor scale? Well, the answer is that you take the 3rd note, the 6th note, and the 7th note, and you lower them all by a half step. Common terminology you'll hear is flat the 3rd, flat the 6th, and flat the 7th. I prefer to think of it as lower the 3rd, lower the 6th, and lower the 7th because it eliminates mistakes that people can make, because sometimes we say flat the 3rd and we might then turn that note into a flat. You know, let's say in the key of A, the 3rd is C sharp. Flatting the 3rd actually means to make it a C natural, but it can cause people to make it a C flat instead, which is completely the wrong note. So I prefer the terminology lowered. Lower the 3rd, lower the 6th, lower the 7th. And if we do that to this C major scale, it becomes C minor. So now we have C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. For finger number people out there, it's 3 on the G. Open D, low 1, low 2, 3, low 4, low 1, and low 2. So that is the natural minor scale. When people say a minor scale, that's the one they mean. It has the lowered 3rd, lowered 6th, and lowered 7th. But what I was working on today was this other thing. It's called harmonic minor. And harmonic minor is really cool because it can be very mournful, or it can be very, very exciting, or even angry sounding, very aggressive sounding, dramatic sounding. It's a really versatile sound. And the way you do that is you play the natural minor scale, but you don't lower the 7. You play a normal 7. That sounds like this. So what makes it special is it's the distance between the 6th and the lowered 6th and the 7th. It's a minor 3rd. And that creates this tense sort of a sound, and it can be very pretty. Or you can really unleash the fury on it. It can be played in a lot of different situations, and if you're looking for where you can practice that now, here's the first thing you want to do is turn on the cello drone from YouTube. Just search cello drone C. Get that playing and just play along with all these notes. And then you can add a metronome or a backing track and say Strum Machine is a good idea and set it to a C minor chord and play along to that and just get used to using these notes. And next time something comes up in C minor, you'll have this C harmonic minor sound that you can make. Now, if you haven't tried Strum Machine before and you'd like to try it, use my link below at strummachine.com/Nate and you can get 30 days free. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you're into this kind of thing. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, click that like button, and then also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And if you're watching on Facebook, follow this page, this Play Nately page. Click that like button for the algorithm and then share this video with people who might benefit from it. And feel free to ask questions down in the comments or even give me topic requests for future videos. All right, bye everybody.